again, two judges scoring on a 1 to 10 basis. Biggest possible score is 20. The score for fairly tame is a 12. So that's the score to beat. 12 for fairly tame. Scheduled out next. The 14-year-old making his debut in the truck his father made famous. CJ Ratu driving famous Stinger Unleashed. And he comes into freestyle tied for the overall event lead with Toxic and Master of Disaster. Wow. And it's going to be a real close call. We're going to see what's going to happen. Because the track officials are trying to see what happened with Matt Boyer in fairly tame from the Renegade Monster Truck Freestyle Competition. And fans, if we're taking pictures, we're taking videos tonight, tag us on Facebook. Find us on Facebook. Renegade Monster Truck Tour, or on Instagram at Renegade FC Tour. So Scott, we just got word with the problems with Barely Tame here. There's a couple things that were actually going on in that Renegade Monster Truck. The first thing, his brakes were getting real hot on that truck, so they shut him off, and that is why. And now his battery completely died in that Renegade Monster Truck. And Scott, a lot of these fans don't know, it's like a regular car. You know, you use the batteries quite a bit, you know, it's going to die on you.
Yeah, with the brakes are a little like that, so they better not. And that was a safety call made by the Renegade Monster Truck Tour officials, and the right one, absolutely. But that's going to happen sometimes. So the battery's dead at that point. They'll just bring him on back, can't refire, and it'll just cost us a minute or two, and then we'll get ready to see the first ever freestyle by CJ Ratu at the age of 14 in the Stinger Unleashed truck. He did it before on this tour, but that was driving pretty wicked. The truck that is the legacy of his dad is Stinger Unleashed for the last 10 years. Originally Stinger and evolving into Stinger Unleashed. CJ driving it for the first time tonight, and this will be his first freestyle in it. I guarantee he's fired up ready.
One of the things that the fans might not know as well, that Stinger name has actually been around a lot longer than just 10 years. The Stinger name started off in the 90s on the Pendo circuit, and you won't believe for who, it was the WCW truck for World Championship Wrestling. It was the Stinger truck. And then it evolved into other trucks down the line, but the Stinger name was brought back, saying he loves that truck, and he brought that truck back. Oh, I see Cam out there with more shirts. He has a shot of one t-shirt. ready to come back for the Renegade Monster Truck Freestyle competition. The next three competitors are our top three that are competing. They're all tied for first place. We don't do ties here at the Renegade Monster Truck Tour. We settle it on the track. And fans, don't forget, we have all the great Renegade Monster Truck merchandise when you're on your way out after the event tonight. As then our Renegade VIPs, hang tight. And Scott and I will bring you on down to the Renegade Winner's Circle. Afterwards, you can meet our Renegade Monster Truck drivers after the conclusion of tonight's event. How about it, Pennsylvania? Are you ready for more freestyle?
I can't scream like I normally do. Yeah, I'm not.
Here comes the first.
is a 13 from Barely Tame. The judges' scores are in. The score for Stinger Unleashed is 16. There's your new leader. Down a big hug right there for that young man. And as of course Bob Lindsay as well. Well, they're so proud of what he's done tonight. Win, lose, or draw. And right now he's your leader.
Yeah, I mean, win, lose, or draw, he should be very proud of that run. Like, I've known CJ for a long time and watched him growing up, and to see him now driving a full-size monster truck. And Scott, the thing is, that was a run that could take months to learn after stepping in a full-size truck.
Yeah, I just, and it's playing out, and I think as he develops, the only thing that he'll try to do more is make it flow a little better, give it a little more momentum. But boy, he airs that bus out with no fear, and nailed another really no fluid. I mean, kind of flew walking just a little bit, had everything in the line. Really, really outstanding. What a debut in that truck. 14 years old, I can't get over it. Doing two permanent driver. Switch over to the veteran. Good boy. Hey, he's coming back by. He's getting one right hand. First time you're ever seen in that truck. And what a shot it's out next. Our next freestyle competitor also tied for lead in the overall points. Leon Hostetter, master of disaster. And again, Leon will be moving into another ride after tonight. So this is his final voyage behind the wheel of the legendary master of disaster. Should be fun.
The score for Leon Hostetter at Master of Disaster is 15. He'll go into second place in freestyle. Stinger Unleashed is still your leader. With one more to go. Get ready for Corey Snyder and Toxic. Mechanical issues, couple of steering problems for Toxic.